Hi, Beba.
Hi sir, how are you?
I'm good. I'm good. How are you?
I am great.
Okay, so shall we start?
Yeah, let's start.
Okay. So, Bebav, can you give me a small introduction about yourself?
Sure, thank you for the opportunity. My name is Bhairav. I am
Hmm.
from Bhubaneswar and I've done my BTech from in computer science branch. I got 7.8 CGPA in my college years and I got 78% in my 12th standard. Regarding technical skills, computer science is present in every field, as everyone knows. So I spent the last 4 years honing my technical and software skills in computer science. I've learned programming in Java, C, C++, JavaScript, which I'm learning right now. I've learned database technologies like SQL, MySQL, MongoDB. I've created some projects like library management, quiz app, and a calculator. And there are other small projects that are made. I think they're in my CV actually. You can find the GitHub links for those. There are small projects are there as
Okay.
well. Apart from that, I think what has helped me the most is participating in a lot of hackathons, both online and offline. It really helped me to be aware of what my peers are learning and kind of kept me ahead of the curve so that I can keep myself updated with technology. And
Yes.
apart from technical skills, regarding personal life, I have few hobbies. I love to play football. I love reading as well, and love watching science fiction movies to be
Okay.
particular. So I think that wraps up everything about me.
Okay. Okay. So, Bebav, my next question is, what are your long-term goals?
My long-term goals would be to gain as much experience as I can in my domain. That is, additionally, I plan on what I learn using these initial formative years for my next few years, which can help me move into a more senior position. So, using previous experience will help me so that when opportunities come for promotions or any other opportunities come, then I can make use of it if I use the correct skills. As such, having a long-term vision in while starting out a career in corporate can be very helpful, so that you can apply yourself in the right direction and be aligned with that plan. I think that's my long-term goal as of now, at least.
Okay, good. Can you state the difference between hard work and smart work?
I believe both are necessary in a person. One person needs to understand how when to use smart work and when to use hard work. But I think what really differentiates is using less resources and less time to achieve the same result by putting more effort in high-yielding activities rather than mindlessly slaving away. I think that's what makes the distinction between hard work and smart work more prominent. It's like I think there's a quote by Steve Jobs or some. No, I'm sorry. That quote was from Bill Gates, where he said that I will find a lazy person to do a difficult job because he'll find an easy way to do it. So I think that pretty much sums it up. The difference between hard and smart work.
Okay, good. Very good. Now let's start with the technical questions.
Sure.
First, rate yourself in Java out of 10.
I think I rate myself a 6.5 out of 10 in Java.
Okay, okay, good. Now, tell me what are JDK, JVM, and JRE? Please explain about them.
Uh, sure. Let me go one by one. First would be the JDK, which is the Java Development Kit software package of JVM and JRE. It contains both. JDK basically provides the standard edition of the Java application programming interface. Second was JVM, which is the Java Virtual Machine. It's basically converts the program into bytecode, which basically means it converts a user-friendly syntax to machine language that the machine can, Java Virtual Machine, and the interpreter can understand.
Okay.
Third one would be the JRE, which is the Java runtime environment, and it provides the libraries and the resources for JDK to execute the Java programs. I think that's
Yeah.
the main distinction between these three.
Yeah, right, right. So, can you tell me, does Java include pointers?
No, Java does not include pointers.
Can you just please explain?
Okay, so basically the first point of pointers, the main benefit I would say would be to for taking for memory allocation purposes. So Java already has JVM, like you mentioned before. So JVM automatically takes care of memory allocation. So there is no real-time use case as such. And when it comes to the side benefits of pointers, like clearing memory, because it just points to a specific memory. If for clearing memory, Java also has this garbage collector. So all in all, there is no particular use case in majority of the cases in Java where we would actually require a pointer. That is not something already being done by Java by itself.
Okay. So you are saying Java does not use pointer in real-time programming, right?
Correct. Whatever all those benefits or pointers that they offer in C, Java takes care of it on its own.
Okay, okay, good. List some Java 8 date and time APIs.
I think the three core APIs would be the local date, local time, and local date time.
Okay.
I think.
Uh, what is the default method and when does it get used?
The default method actually involves an implementation and it is found in an interface. The method adds new functionalities to an interface while preserving backward compatibility with the classes that have already implemented that particular interface. I think that's the main purpose of a default method in Java.
Okay, okay. Okay. Can you mention the main classes implementing the list interface?
I think the most important will be the linked list, which basically linked elements with the no index, and array list, which can be indexed. Then vector, which is similar to array in some aspects, and it also can be indexed. And the fourth would be stack, which follows the last in first out methodology of the of data structure. These four.
Okay. You just said array. Can you explain what is an array?
Array can be referred to as a collection of items which are stored in a continuous memory locations. It must contain items of the same data type, and it organizes data in a related set of values that can easily be sorted, searched, manipulated, etc. So basically, it helps create a collection of similarly defined values in a single array variable.
Okay. So we cannot store any other data types in array, right?
All elements must be of the same data type. There cannot be any mix and match.
Okay, okay, good. Can you explain what is a linked list?
It's kind of similar to array, but it refers to linear data structure in which the elements are not necessarily stored in a continuous manner like they are stored in an array. So it's basically a sequence of nodes with each node pointing towards the next node. Then that's how it forms a chain-like structure. That's how it's different from an array.
Okay. Mention the linked list supported by Java.
Java supports two, a singly linked list and doubly linked list. Singly linked list where each node points to stores the data and references to the next node, whereas the doubly linked list has points to two different nodes, which is the one before it and the one after it. These are the only two that are in Java.
Okay, good. Can you tell me what is recursion? What is recursion? You must have read about this.
Yes, recursion would refer to a function calling itself under a particular terminating condition. Follows the last in first out methodology, and it makes use of the stack data structure.
Okay. Now, please tell me which sorting algorithm is best according to you?
I don't think any sorting algorithm can be considered the best. There are many like bubble sort, selection sort, balloon sort, radix sort, all those things are there. But I don't think we can term any one of them as the best because they all have different use cases. If there would have been a single best sorting algorithm, all of us would be using only that one, right? So I don't think there's particular best. They're fit for the specific type of data structures where it performs the most efficiently. So no, I don't think there's particular. In my opinion, I don't think there's a best sorting algorithm.
Okay, right. What is the difference between system.out, system.err, and system.in? System or we also tell err to error. Can you just explain about it?
Yes, system.out and system.err represent the monitor by default and thus can be used to send data or results to the monitor. So system.out specifically is used to display normal messages and results. It's basically the print function of the Java family. System.err is used to display the error messages. And system.in third refers the input stream, which is the input stream object actually, which by default represents a standard input device, which in almost 99% of the cases is a keyboard.
Okay. Now, can you write down the syntax on how to create a linked list and a vector in Java? You can just type it in the chat box here only.
Sure. I'll actually create a new object
Okay.
of the linked list class here.
Yeah. I just want to see the logic only. Okay.
Okay. This is to create only the object variable for the linked list.
Okay.
I'll now actually write down the syntax of vector.
Okay.
It's quite similar to the linked list object, but we have to add two more parameters, which would be the size and increment.
Okay. Just type it here only.
I think I shared. Yes.
Okay. Okay, fine. So my next question is, how do you get the highest number that exists on a list? Just write a code here only.
Okay, should I just put a sample code
Yeah,
block?
yeah. I just want to see the approach you are using.
Sure. Okay, I'll just write the code again.
Highest number that exists on a list. You can take any random list.
I'll create a list with integer values. I just declared the list with the
Okay,
name
good.
numbers.
Yeah.
And now I'll print out the final list.
Okay. You're using mapping, right?
Yes.
Okay.
I think that should be enough. Like, should I elaborate more, or do you think it's
Yeah, it's fine, it's fine. I just wanted to see the approach that you're using. Okay. Now, can you write how to do the reverse in string in Java?
reversing a string, right?
Yeah, in Java.
Okay.
You can just take a string hello and just reverse it.
Okay, I'll put it in a variable.
Hmm.
I'll create a dummy variable named reverse where the actual reversed output will be stored. First, I'll take the length of the string and store it in the length variable like I just shared. Next, I'll start a for loop. There's a single line in the body. I'll just write that down separately.
Okay. So you are taking the
Basically, it's taking all the elements and it will keep adding them to the reverse variable that I had declared before. And the next step would be to just print out the final reverse variable. I think that will reverse the string completely.
Okay. Okay, fine. Now, how many objects will be inside the hash map?
There can be two elements with the same hash code, but when two elements have the same hash code, Java uses the equals to further differentiate. So there can be one or two objects depending on the content of the objects.
Okay, okay. Now, give me an example how to create a hash map in the chat only.
Okay, so like a sample code.
Yeah.
Okay. Sure. I'll first import the necessary libraries. This is the hash map library. Then I
Right.
will import the mapping library. Okay. I'll start the main function.
Okay.
This is the class declaration. And now I would go with and now I'll start the body of the main function.
If you need time to just think of the approach, you can take time. This it's fine.
Thank you so much. I'll be putting two string values. Declaring a new hash map right now. Declare the new initialize the new hash map. Then I'll start storing data in these hash maps using the put function. This would be the first element, and next would be similarly I'll put another element just to show.
Okay, you're taking the car names.
Correct. So all I did is put 2 in the hash map. So now I can keep adding more, but I think if I just keep adding, I can just print out.
Just add 2 or 3 only.
Yeah. So these 2 are done. So I can just print out as obj. And I just basically close the main function. That's it. I think this will.
Okay, just let me read once. Okay, Baba. It's good. Okay, can you please tell me what are your greatest strengths and weaknesses?
Okay, I'll start with my strengths. I think my ability to work well in a team is one of my finest assets. I have a strong sense of self motivation and I'm a very quick learner. Whatever assignment I get, I usually I tend to finish it very diligently and preferably ahead of schedule. I don't know if there are any standout weaknesses as such, but one thing that I believe can be improved about myself are my people skills. Indulging in conversation with coworkers and people I'm not very comfortable with or talk regularly with. But I have been working on that a lot, and there has been a lot of progress, and there is going to be more for sure moving on. I think that's the only thing that I can count as a weakness in that.
Okay, good. So, where do you see yourself in 5 years?
Okay. I think initially I would first like to grow my skills as a team player in the first few years at any organization, then understanding how upper level management works, and then ultimately earn a managerial position. Probably most likely handling a very high output team and being able to mentor a bright group of people who are prepping for their next step in their career, just like I would have done by then.
Now, tell me, why should we hire you?
I have a very strong sense of motivation. I really push myself to improve and learn more. I am very open-minded as well, and I pick things up rather quickly. I like to solve difficulties and hopefully solve roadblocks for teammates come as may.
Okay.
Apart from skills perspective, additionally, I believe that the values of this organization and mine are very compatible. So that's why I believe that this job and this position will support my interests and present me with enough engaging and exciting opportunities that will help me advance myself and the company. So that's why, frankly, I'm very excited about this chance. To be
Okay.
honest.
Okay, good. Okay, so thank you, Baba. This is all from my side. If you have any questions, you can ask me.
I think I really have only one question. Can you tell me about the company and more importantly, the daily responsibilities that I'll be, asked to head on a day-to-day basis?
Okay, so Vaibhav, right now I can't tell you everything, but we are a software company. We develop software according to the needs of the clients, and everyone is young and energetic here, so the environment is also very good.
Great. I think that's all I needed to know for now.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much for your interest. We'll let you know the results very soon. Okay.
Sure. Thank you so much, sir. I will definitely look forward to hearing more.
Okay.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simply Learn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.